Is Siri ignoring you on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max, or the new iPhone Air? There are several reasons why Siri might not be responding. The most common causes include a disabled Hey Siri feature, a blocked or malfunctioning microphone, a lack of stable internet connectivity, corrupted network settings, or software bugs within iOS 26. We'll walk through each of these causes and how to fix them. First, let's ensure Hey Siri is enabled. Go to Settings on your iPhone, then tap on Siri and Search or Apple Intelligence and Siri in iOS 26. Finally, make sure the toggle for Listen for Hey Siri, or simply Siri, is turned on. This activates the voice activation feature, allowing Siri to respond to your voice commands anytime. Next, let's adjust your Siri responses. Navigate to Settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri, and select Siri Responses. Make sure Prefer Spoken Responses is enabled. This ensures you can hear Siri even when your iPhone is in silent mode. You can also adjust the volume and speaking rate here for clearer interaction. In the Accessibility menu under Siri Settings, you can further fine-tune the speaking rate and other voice options. A faulty microphone can prevent Siri from hearing you correctly. Let's check and fix microphone issues step by step. First, test your microphone using the Voice Memos app. Open the app, tap the red record button, speak into your iPhone, then play back the recording to check for clear audio. If the microphone sounds muffled, locate the microphone openings on your iPhone. They're typically near the bottom speaker grill. Gently clean them with a soft cotton swab to remove dust or debris. If cleaning doesn't fix the issue, try restarting your iPhone. Hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, then hold the side button again to restart. This resets the audio drivers and can resolve microphone glitches. Siri requires a stable internet connection to process your requests. Without it, Siri cannot communicate with Apple's servers and will fail to respond. First, ensure Wi-Fi is enabled in your control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access it. If Wi-Fi is unavailable, make sure cellular data is turned on in Settings under Cellular. To reset your connection, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This can clear network glitches. A stable network connection prevents request failures and ensures Siri can reliably communicate with Apple's servers for accurate responses. Corrupted network settings can sometimes restrict Siri's internet access. To reset these, go to Settings, then General. Navigate to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode to confirm. This clears corrupted data that may be affecting Siri's responsiveness. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches affecting Siri. This process clears the device's memory and reloads system processes, which can restore normal functioning without losing any data. On your iPhone Air, press and hold the side button and either volume button simultaneously. The side button is located on the right edge, and the volume buttons are on the left edge. Hold them until you see the power off slider appear on the screen. Once the power off slider appears, slide your finger across it from left to right to turn off the iPhone. This is the standard way to power down the device safely. After the iPhone turns off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on by holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. This completes the restart process and should resolve any temporary Siri issues. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. These updates provide bug fixes and performance improvements for Siri and related features, addressing known issues and improving stability.